Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, look who's outside. It is rolling. It moves. And I thought instead of using my usual feature spot on the nice concrete, this one deserves a feature in the gravel. So we're doing a little feature. We're gonna go for a quick spin around the airport. You guys actually get to hear it run and see it move. Still have a ton to do. It's not reliable in any way. It's not safe to drive on the road in any way. When I step into it, my feet actually go through the floor. I just unplugged the microphone. There we go. I still only have 3 U-bolts in the front holding the diff in, so we're not doing anything crazy. We're literally just putting up and down the road. It runs and drives, look at that! I have to say I'm nervous driving this old jalopy. I put some more fuel in it. Apparently, fuel, if you want premium, it's $1.67 a liter. So if you're in the US, that's 4 liters to a gallon. Fuel is, it's definitely getting to an all-time high. Oh yeah, the box is broken off the frame too, so I'm gonna have to do something about the box. Wow. Hey, you wanna see something cool? Look at that. I can see the tire through there. Right to the floor. Running and driving. It's amazing. This was a free truck that I dragged out of the back of a scrapyard that nobody wanted. It was too far gone. Oh, I can smell the burning oil. I can't believe that it's feeling so good just driving around like this. Oh yeah, we got Mr. Moose. He's permanent. He's part of the dash. Oh, he's free now. He was glued to the dash. Yes, that top gauge doesn't work. But I won't have to worry about it because when the old cab comes off, everything here will go with it. It feels like such a piece of crap, but I love it. So yeah, we won't be taking it out on the road. We can't do it roadkill style. They're a little more strict around laws doing that kind of stuff down here. They'll just take the truck away if I do that. That big clunking bang you heard maybe is the box. Wow. I actually didn't think that it was going to be able to drive it around. I thought the transfer case was toast. Turns out the problem with the transfer case was that steering column kept falling down, landing on the 4-wheel drive shifter, and it was getting kind of caught halfway between 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. So the transfer case is fine. Transmission is leaking like crazy. And so is the engine, but it's running and driving. So there you guys go. I just had to take you for a little spin down the taxiway and show you that it moves. I even pressure washed all the blue off the tires. I actually gave the whole truck a pressure wash. It got a bath. It's awesome. My first Stepside. I'm so excited. I just love this thing. Yeehaw. So now I got to load it up on the trailer, get it out of the shop until the next time I can bring it in, because the Jimmy's coming in next. Time to finish getting the nitrous hooked up. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.